Welcome to my YouTube channel Tachmaster. Today we will discuss why AI technology is important in our life. AI technology is important because it enables human capabilities, understanding, reasoning, planning, communication, and perception to be undertaken by software increasingly effectively, efficiently, and at low cost. What is the importance of AI in our daily life? AI technologies like virtual assistant and the intelligent automation of routine processes are making it quicker and easier for individuals to perform the tasks of their daily lives and enhancing his performance in many ways. This is freeing up time and energy for people to dedicate to creative and social pursuits. What are the usually benefits of AI technology? It enables multitasking and eases the workload for existing resources. AI enables the execution of hitherto tasks without significant cost outlays. AI operates 24/7 without interruption or breaks and has no downtime. AI augments the capabilities of differently abled individuals. How AI make life easier? Through AI, technology is making life easier. Machine learning is being used to learn human behavior so that apps can predict what you might want and at what time. In this way, some activities like ordering groceries, watching movies, listening to music, and more are done for you by their respective apps. How AI changed our life. AI makes people's life more efficient, powering many programs and services that help them do everyday things, such as connecting with friends and using an email program or ride share service. The best example of AI in daily life are travel, navigation, smart home devices, smartphones, drones, and smart cars. How will AI help us in the future? According to a report on the future of jobs by World Economic Forum, AI will create 58 million new artificial intelligence jobs by 2022. There is an excellent chance that by 2030 AI will outperform humans in most of the mental tasks, but that does not mean it will take away jobs. How AI is helping the world. Artificial intelligence is helping to solve problems in the world. With AI adoption on the rise, the technology is addressing a number of global challenges. Artificial intelligence is being used to help crack down on illegal activities. It is helping to tackle overfishing in our ocean. What is the purpose of AI? In summary, the goal of AI is to provide software that can reason on input and explain on output. AI will provide human-like interactions with software and other decision support for specific tasks, but it's not a replacement for human and won't be anytime soon. So this was our video about why AI technology is important in our life. If you like my video, like and share and subscribe my channel Tech Master for more videos.